Well, it was quite a stormy weekend last weekend as that atmospheric river moved through. It was a moderately strong one with the gusty winds and definitely some heavy rains. And we have more atmospheric rivers out there, but as we're talking about, they come in different forms. There's weak ones, moderate ones, strong ones. Ones that are headed our way this week overall much weaker than what we saw for the last one. And there's a reason for that. If you recall last week when we looked at the satellite image for the Pacific, we'd see this band of moisture, which you can see one now, which stretched, however, from the northwest all the way back to just south of Japan near the Southeast Asia. So it had this long fetch of moisture all that way, which translates into a lot of energy to produce a really strong storm system. And that's what we saw move through over the weekend. The ones that are headed our way this week, we take a look around the corner of the disk like we did from the Japanese satellite, you see there's definite breaks in there. So the fetch of moisture from the subtropics that powers these storms, much weaker for these incoming ones. This one is going to be the one that's going to be moving in as we head towards Friday and Saturday. That is going to have a fair amount of water in it. It looks like it's going to be kind of wet. Unfortunately, maybe over trick-or-treating, but there's still hope the timing could change. But the winds with it will be substantially less and not damaging like we saw last week. At least that's how it looks on Monday, and we'll keep you updated on through the week.